Everywhere you look, the story seems to be the same. AI is coming for your job. They paint this picture of a massive wave of automation set to wipe out millions of positions as we know them. But what if I told you that's only half the story? What if the biggest career explosion in tech right now isn't about building AI but knowing how to talk to it? This is the hidden, high-tech career that most people have never heard of, with six-figure salaries that companies are actively hiring for. Stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly what a prompt engineer is and how you can get in on the secret. When powerful AI models like ChatGPT burst onto the scene, they changed the game. Suddenly, anyone could have an incredibly smart system at their fingertips. But a problem showed up almost immediately: a communication gap. You can have the most powerful AI in the world, but if you can't ask the right questions, you get garbage results. This is where the prompt engineer comes in. Think of them as the essential bridge between human ideas and artificial intelligence. They are expert communicators, translators, really, who know how to coax precise and valuable answers out of a machine. So, what does a prompt engineer actually do? The best analogy is to think of them as an AI psychologist or a master librarian for a robot. They don't just ask a question. They frame it with context, perspective, and surgical precision to get the perfect result. For example, a weak prompt would be something like, "Write about dogs." The AI will spit out a generic, forgettable article. But a strong prompt, crafted by a prompt engineer, would be more like this: act as a world-renowned canine behaviorist with 20 years of experience. Write a 500-word blog post for new dog owners explaining the 3 most common causes of separation anxiety in rescue dogs. Use an encouraging and empathetic tone. See the difference? The first is a lazy request. The second is a command that guides the AI to deliver exactly what you need. That skill is what companies are willing to pay a premium for. Prompt engineering is the art and science of designing these perfect inputs. Right about now, you might be thinking, this sounds super technical. I can't do this. Let's hit pause on that thought. While some roles do require coding knowledge like Python to integrate with AI models, many of the core skills are surprisingly human. It's about creative writing, critical thinking, and clear communication. It's about having deep knowledge in a specific field, whether that's marketing, finance, or healthcare, and knowing what questions are worth asking. If you're a logical thinker, a good writer, or an expert in your industry, you already have the foundation. Technical skills can be learned, but the ability to think creatively and communicate clearly is the real superpower here. Let's talk numbers, because they tell a powerful story. The demand for people with prompt engineering skills is surging as more and more companies integrate AI into how they work. While a specific growth rate is hard to pin down, some market analyzers project a compound annual growth rate of over 30% for the prompt engineering market between 2024 and 2030. This isn't just hype, it's a fundamental shift. Companies across tech, healthcare, and finance are all looking for people who can bridge the human-AI gap. And the salaries reflect that demand. While it varies by location and company, entry-level prompt engineering roles often start in the $63,000 to $95,000 range. With a few years of experience, engineers command salaries that can climb from $128,000 to over $270,000 a year, especially for senior positions at major tech companies. If you're getting value from this breakdown and want more insights into the careers of the future, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out, and you won't miss what's coming next. So, how do you break into this field? The path is more accessible than you might imagine. First, just start practicing. Use free tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Experiment with different prompting techniques and see for yourself what makes a prompt great versus what makes one fall flat. Second, think about taking an online course. Platforms like Coursera have specialized programs that teach both the fundamentals and the advanced techniques of prompt engineering. Finally, build a portfolio. You don't need a formal job for this. Find a real-world problem you can solve with your prompting skills, document your process, and show off your results. This hands-on experience is what will make you stand out. While the headlines are full of doom and gloom about AI taking jobs, the reality is far more interesting. AI is also creating new jobs, and prompt engineering is one of the most exciting. It's a legitimate, high-paying career that rewards creativity, critical thinking, and communication. This isn't just a passing trend. It's the beginning of a new way of working alongside intelligent machines. The need for people who can translate between human goals and AI capabilities is only going to get bigger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into future-proof careers.